Welcome to the Polynesian, where we are going to attempt to get a really cool looking Trader Sam's mug. So we are here at the outdoor Trader Sam's bar for a little something special. See that guy right there? That's a Hatbox Ghost Tiki mug. Hey! Look who we just ran into! It's Peter Brookhart!
And I failed my friends.
Yeah,
You failed our friends as well.
yeah.
It makes me look better in person.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, it was nice running into you again. As it turns out, they were actually sold out of the Tiki mug. That was very deceitful. They had them on a shelf. They're gonna sell some more tomorrow. We're gonna come back tomorrow, try to get one tomorrow. We were actually spending the day doing something else today, and we were not able to accomplish the rest of that video. And I don't want to put it out yet until we can accomplish that. So we're going to do that probably tomorrow, finish it, put it out. So I'm sorry, it's just going to be a weird situation.
2 failed attempts at videos for today.
Yes. You know, the first failed attempt is not our own failure.
This is true.
We tried to use the Disney bus transportation.
It was a bad choice.
And it was a bad choice. But hey,
you got to see Peter.
We got to see Peter. So hopefully we can see Sarah soon too sometime. I mean, the night doesn't have to be a total failure. You could get a casual dad Mickey shirt. It is the next day. This is not something we normally do. We haven't done it yet. We've been very consistent about showing you what we did the day before. But yesterday, the video we wanted to put out today, we didn't finish making it, and we just didn't think it was going to be complete without the last park that we need to go to. So we're on our way to Animal Kingdom this morning to finish that video. Hopefully that will be out tomorrow. And then we're going to go back to the Polynesian and try to get these gosh darn Tiki mugs. They're very exclusive. So let's see if we can do that. All right, we are back at the Poly. There goes the monorail. I just got a yellow lei. Hello. Thank you. Did they change? Like, I've been seeing a lot of randomly colored leis. Did they change from just like the standard lei to now having all of the colors of the rainbow?
Looks like it.
I love it. Thank you. Now every lei I get I'll have to save. We were told that they were going to start handing out wristbands today at 1. It is 12:27, so we'll see how crowded it is. Is this weird? Is it outside still? Yeah. Alright, let's give it a whirl. Let's see.
Oh, it's because they're out here.
Oh, yep, there's a line. This is a good size line. I wonder how many they're gonna sell. I can't think of many better places you could stand in line. We're now very close to the front of the line. Jeremy's saying she doesn't have very many wristbands left.
She hasn't had any look.
Oh, good, good. Like, there couldn't have been 200 people in front of us.
Thank you.
Oh, there's an even longer line behind us now. We got our wristbands. Here's the scoop. You can come as early as 3:30 to the outside bar, or the inside bar opens at 4. And basically, as long as you get a wristband, she didn't say how many she said she wasn't sure how many she had. She just was handing them out until she ran out. Other people have said they have 200, so 200 today, and I heard someone saying that they were doing it for the next 10 days. So 10 days, 200 a day. They have 2,000. Which
10 days from the first day. I don't know.
That's what I mean. Yeah, that's what I meant. Like that there would be another 8 days after this. So, yeah. So she said with a wristband, we're guaranteed one. You can come back anytime by the end of the day and still get one. So, very cool. So it sounds like Jeremy's gonna head over to the Magic Kingdom while I go hang out with the dog. So we'll see you in a little while when I'm back here at the Tiki Lounge. That's not the name of it. I made it back to the condo, hanging out with the dog here and watching the news about the Hurricane Michael. It looks like it just hit the Pensacola area. It's still a Category 4 now. It's pretty scary. So if you are affected by this hurricane, please know that we're thinking about you and hope you stay safe. Here in Orlando, we've seen a lot of wind and a lot of rain, but we're not really going to have any major effects from it, but it looks like it could be pretty devastating. So please stay safe if you are in its path. Wow, this is some stormy weather. It's shaking the car. Made it back to the Poly. That was some pretty intense rain to drive through. But we're here. Let's go get our mug. Hey friend, nice to see you again. There's a very, very long line. So even though we have a wristband, it's still a long line. So Jeremy, met back up with him. He got us on the list for Trader Sam's. That sounds much more amazing than it is. It's gonna be about an hour. Hey, like 30 minutes later, Trader Sam's has a table for us. This is the Grim Grinning Grog. Yeah. Grim Grinning Grog is a very tongue twistery word. All right.
Had like 2 kinds of rum, orange, lime, bitters. I don't know. It's just sort of sour, sort of sweet. That's pretty good.
Yeah. I like the straw.
That initial, once you got past that initial
it packs like a punch of rum, but it actually has a pretty sweet, good aftertaste. Yeah, I like it. Did you say it almost reminds you of a high C?
Or something like that, but like naturally made, like, so it's good? I don't know.
All I know is that the more I drink it, the more delicious it becomes. I like it a lot. It's really good. Ooh. Someone got a zombie? Guess what I have? I got the bag. I got the bag of glory. We got our glorious bag of goodies. Let's open them up and take a look. Wow, it's so cool.
Oh, cool.
Oh, that's awesome. That is very cool. Can I see it in the inside? Is it all just black? Very cool. Oh, he's so cool. The last 2 days of trouble were not in vain. Alright, there they are. They look great. That was very exciting that we were able to actually get them.
It's pretty cool.
Thank you for coming on with us on this kind of weird 2-day journey. We might try to come back and get more. We have another friend that's interested in one, and maybe we'll give another away as a giveaway. So I don't know. We're not totally sure, but you know, you can subscribe to our channel if you're not, and find out if we do give one away. So. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye, Maui's butt.